Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't hear your calls on an Android phone by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is very obvious and simple, but make sure your volume is actually up. Sometimes it happened to be down maybe like this and you just accidentally left it. Just go ahead and make sure you see this bar go up. Now, if you can't do it or maybe the buttons are not working, you can pull down the menu here for the top and then also manually adjust it when you're on a call just to make sure it's all the way up and it just happens to be not low or muted. So that's going to be the first thing you want to check out. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is making sure that it is not connected to another external Bluetooth device. So go ahead into the setting app. So I'm swiping up in the connections here. You're going to look for Bluetooth. If you have it on and connected with something else, it might actually be trying to push the sounds or basically the volume to there. So you want to turn it off or disconnect from that device as well. Now, if you're still having any issues with it, another thing to check is your speakers are not clogged. Usually, depending on the Android phone you have, speakers might be up top or the bottom. Make sure it's not dirty with dust or debris that can block it. So you're going to go ahead and clean it with a toothbrush, maybe even something gentle that doesn't damage it, but check to make sure it is not blocked. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do a simple restart on your phone. So to do that, you can just go ahead and pull from the top here and then click the power icon to restart here, or you can use and you can just restart using the buttons, volume down, and the side button, just press and hold and then just restart. Now, if you restarted it, that should fix it for you. If it's not fixed yet, the next thing you want to do is go back to your setting. And then let's start from the main setting here. We're going to do a network reset. So in your settings, just go down and look for general management. And then when you scroll down, there's a reset option. And you're going to go ahead and do mobile network setting reset. This will not delete your data, but important to do in order to fix any connectivity issues. Now, if you're still having the issue, next thing to do is just updating your phone. So in your main settings again, you're going to look for software update. Check for new update, and if you have an update available, go ahead and update your software. Sometimes the previous update might have caused issues and it's not working correctly. You want to make sure that isn't the case. Now, all of this should go ahead and help you fix your device, and I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like, subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.